Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I am finally doing a look with this Norvina Volume 1 Pro Pigment palette. I know it's been a while, but I recorded a video but I wasn't happy with the footage, so I deleted it. This is a 25 pan eyeshadow palette, which is one of Anastasia Beverly Hills larger eyeshadow palettes. This palette retails full price for $70 on the official Anastasia Beverly Hills website. So for today's look, I decided to do something themed on this unicorn. If you do want to find out how I did this super easy look, just stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. I will also be showing some swatches done under natural lighting so you can really see the full performance of these pigments. First, I'm going in with some of this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. What's really nice about this primer is that you can really just put it under any eyeshadow and it'll just make it pop. I used to just use concealer instead of an actual primer, but I'm really glad I got this because now I can't go back to using concealer. Concealer I found is quite thick and you can feel it. It's quite heavy on your eyelid, but this, you hardly feel like you have anything there. And I feel this is really nice if you have oily eyelids. I'll start off with a bit of B4. This is such a nice, rich purple. Then I'm going in with a bit of B1. You know, I really don't know what I'm doing, but I mean, if you don't even try, are you even living? Then I'm going to take a bit of B5. Just put that on like the outer corner. See if that does anything. And now I'm just going in with a bit more primer, very carefully. This is so difficult to do with hooded eyelids. It's always easier to do one eye instead of the other. And now I'm going to take a bit of A1 and put it on the eyelid with my finger. It's just easier to use your finger for shimmer shades, honestly. I really love this lilac. It's one of my favorite colors in this palette. And then I'm just going with the brush to just clean up the edges a bit. And now I'm just gonna go back in with a bit of B4 to like the outer corner, as well as a bit of B5. And then I think I'll do a bit of A3 under the eye. and a bit of B3 on the inner corner. And then I'm going to attempt to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. So because I have hooded eyelids, I usually just make a really small wing. This is a really nice tip. It just makes applying your eyeliner so easy. Oh my gosh. And now I need to try and match the other eye. Oh, I swear putting on eyeliner should be considered an extreme sport. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put on this Maybelline mascara. And now that my mascara is done, I will just be popping on these Ashley Jacobs eyelashes off camera, and I will be back. And there you have it. This is the final look. I think purples are a bit difficult to work with, but you know, I was like, I just want to try this out. I'm not disappointed at all, and I really am considering ordering more from Anastasia Beverly Hills. But from my swatches, I'm sure you can see that the pigmentation is there and the shimmer colors just feel so luxurious. I really think this palette is super easy to work with. Not even this palette, probably Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows themselves are easy to work with, so you can really just pick up any palette that speaks to you and just go in and just try things. It just inspires you to be creative. Also, the fact that you paid so much money for it, you need to make sure that you get your money's worth and use every single color. Or maybe that's just me. And what's nice about this palette and any ABH products is it is all vegan and cruelty free. It is quite difficult to make vegan formulated purple shadows, but I really think these are stunning. And personally, I don't think I would have bought this palette or this collection if I wasn't... I snapped this mirror back too much and I thought I broke it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you do want me to make another video doing a different look using the same palette. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials as well as Douglas's, which will be linked down below. And don't forget to join our Discord community where we can share memes and just chat to each other. Don't forget to watch my previous video, which was my beauty glazed Valentine's Day look, or myself and Douglas's vlog to a local Japanese restaurant. Bye!